Chief Justice Megalaya High Court Biswanath Somadder hakakhnai tarik ubnai nai lor lapli pai bai ka district and session court polling ha mokrot hakajidon langrangkat Justice HS Thank you Justice RB Moore Justice W Ding do wameli kathan ubaderu menteri sarkar chalau banik tanding do tongkhar pat kiwe kani kalong sisa ka cingkru amtang nakabanta ka district and nakabanta ka chalahi borokoi bakania chakmat nakabanta banprio ek jingbishar ka bahok sakinong songsnong bat kumjuru yakitu ki bawan mankarpa nakabanta banyo ek jingbishar ka bahok
Kadno ka jingsnok mennya kadong ka tangjoni Office yang bishar lawan terima kasih Yang bishar dan buram kala dan hamau keruat ya kibasya bandingkan pelak najis satu
to give access and provide quality justice irrespective of the financial status of the litigant or those who have other difficulties, especially those who stay in remote areas. Our court was functioning from a rented building till recently, and now thanks to the PWD and the contractor, we have a magnificent edifice in front of our eyes. But it should not remain just symbolically a building from where justice is being dispensed. It shall actually render quality justice to all those under whose all of which fall within its jurisdiction.